AUDJPY Analysis, week of January 8, 2024. Welcome to this week's AUDJPY Market Analysis for the second week of January 2024. Recap of last week. We saw the 96 level acting as a pivotal point. Despite testing key levels, the pair maintained a bullish sentiment. Technical overview. Currently, the market is showing signs of an ascending wedge pattern. The 97.5 level is crucial, having been tested over the past 3 weeks. This week's focus. We are closely watching key Japanese and Australian economic indicators, including CPI, retail sales, and bond auctions, for potential market impacts. Monthly and weekly analysis. The monthly view suggests continued bullish momentum, with key levels at 98.5, 96, and 93.5. Weekly, the focus is on the 97.5 resistance, daily and 4-hourly perspectives. Recent daily charts show bullish signs with a breakout above 96.5. The 4-hourly charts indicate potential accumulation below 97.5, hinting at an upward breakout. Conclusion. This week, we anticipate decisive movements either breaking above 97.5 or retracing from this resistance level. Stay tuned as we navigate the evolving dynamics of the AUDJPY pair in this exciting trading week.